Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today we're going to be building some deer feeders. Went around to a couple of stores today trying to find a couple deer feeders. Couldn't find anything in stock at any of the local stores. Looked online. It's going to cost me like $60, $70 for a single deer feeder that would hold about 40 pounds of food. So then I started doing some Google searches and found some really cool homemade ones. All you need to make it is a 4-inch or 6-inch PVC Y, 2 PVC caps, and about a 4-foot piece of pipe. Super easy project. All you really need to put it together is the glue and something to cut the PVC pipe with, so almost no tools required. Something that would be fun and easy to do with the kids. You can get them out in the shop and do it with them. Okay, I've already gone ahead and cut the piece of pipe to 4 feet, deburred it all. I've got the Y and 2 caps. You're only going to need to glue 1 cap. Just go ahead and take your primer. Prime one end of your piece of pipe. And then go ahead and prime both ends of your Y. This is a street Y, so you can actually glue the cap directly onto one end. You can use a regular Y though. All that would change is that you'd have to put a short piece of pipe in between the Y and the cap. And then go ahead and prime one of your caps as well. Okay, once you've done that, go ahead and glue your 1 cap to the bottom of your Y. Make sure when you do this that this piece of the Y is facing up. And then go ahead and glue your pipe into the top of the Y. Your other cap just gets placed on top. It's just to keep dust and rain and whatnot out. And that's it. There's your completed feeder. You can go ahead. I'm going to attach mine to the trees using just a ratchet strap. But you could use some of that metal banding used for ductwork. You could use bungee cords. Anything really, whatever you decide to fasten it. I mean, if you're going to put it on like a wood post, you could even just screw it to the wood post if you wanted to. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a like and subscribe if you want to see some more videos like this. We're going to go ahead and do a video tomorrow, or in the next couple of days anyway. We're going to go out to the property, give you guys a little tour, and we're going to go ahead and put these up on the trees and set the trail cam up so that it's watching, and we'll see what kind of critters we get in the next few weeks.